Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily create your cursor with some return values. So first thing, we just declare our constant with name m, for example, and now just open our cursor. So we just add parameter here. So let's add some parameter. So for example, name, and type of this parameter just string. So after we just return value, so we just need to write like this, and type of return value will be string. So just add here a string, and after just write in. So it's the body of our cursor. So after we just declare. Sorry, I just forget to return here. So just write here return and our string. So for example, hello, and our parameter name. So after here you just need to declare new constant. So for example, with name m, and we just initialize it with our front function. So just m, and we just need to add our string here. So for example, max. And after we just print our constant. So just like this. So let's run our program. So here you can see that everything is working. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.